What is up, guys? It's your boy Brandon, back again with a 91 Miata. I know I've been gone for a little while, I haven't been posting much. Life's been kind of crazy with this whole motherfucking 2020. This whole year's been shot. But here we are with another video. Today I'm going to be changing the bushings on the rear sway bar because those things are toasted. They're all cracked up, they look like trash, and I've had the new bushings for a couple months just sitting in the car. But like I said, life's been crazy. I haven't really got around to working on the Miata lately. But today is a nice 45-degree day out here in New York, and I'm gonna try to get that done before I put her away for the season. So, with that being said, let's get out there and get into it. Alright guys, so we're under the Miata, and this is what the old bushings look like. Like I said, they're pretty shot. So, I'm gonna go ahead and place those. Alright, so first off, we gotta remove these two. So that's a 14. Alright guys, these are the new ones. I had to get them online. I just couldn't find them in any of the stores. These are the new ones. Look a hell of a lot better than those old crusty ones. Lefty loosey. Oh my god, I love this gun. Best tool I ever bought. Alrighty. Sorry about all the noise pollution, guys. I live in the city. Give you guys a little comparison. Wow. Definitely needed to be changed, that's for sure. Alright guys, so online it says 12 to 14 pounds for these nuts. These nuts. Alright, since it's kind of fucking cold out here, so I'm just gonna guesstimate for right now, and I'm not even gonna tighten them down all the way right now until I get the car back down. So this balance pressure on the suspension. So I'm just gonna make these just a little less than snug. And that's that for this side, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I lower the car and give these the final torque spec. Alright guys, so the car is back completely on the ground. Ever since I put the new suspension on there, I cannot get a standard jack to get underneath the car to lift the side up. So I had a handy dandy block of wood from some wood that I had left over from camping, and that seemed to work. I'm gonna leave that in the trunk from now on, because if I ever get a flat, I'm gonna be might be screwed with getting a jack under there. So I got this big ass torque wrench, so I'm not really sure. I got like too much leverage for this little ass amount of room, so I'm gonna try and tighten these down. Beautiful. Okay. Alright guys, she is torqued down and ready to go. I'm gonna torque spec the other side, and that's all she wrote for this little project. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped some of you guys out. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos in the upcoming years, months. We'll be doing a lot more videos next summer. I live in New York, so it's about to get cold, and the season for driving nice cars is about to be over. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.